how to buy Onion token. So this token came under the symbol of Anon. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, if you go and see this expose from the MEXC listing, you will be able to see this post. They said that the super cool Onion, combining the existing realms of GameFi and Tap to Earn, is came into MEXC Kickstart. So as you can see, this token will be trading or available for trading in 17, so today in 8 USDC. So what you need to do, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, what you need to do, go and log into your account up like that. Go back to this post, and copy the symbol of the token. So after you copy it, go back to your account. As you can see here in search, now just paste the token symbol, as you can see. So you will find this pair, click on it. In a few seconds, you will be able to see this page. So what you need to do, just wait 7 hours to be able to trade this token. So what you need to do after that, click on buy here. Now click on limits, and here type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your accounts, and here click on buy on. So if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account and be able to buy this token. So after that, click on buy on. So this is how to buy Anon token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.